Had Back Me written right across him. Big, beautiful, shiny coat. Green light on. No more bets, thank you. One Look to Treat going to the boxes. Mr. Nice Guy, short, set, ready, racing, got out okay. Got to be going, beaten for early speed though. See Tammy's going to lead, but Mr. Nice Guy, he slides through on the inside and takes the shortcut. Getting onto his coattails is Pin Up Boy. Third placing between runners is See Tammy. Good gap. There's one sneaking around the outside is Every Sound, looking to get closer further back. Then we've got Geisha Angel. A gap further back to Bowen Raider. And the last couple are Bit of Grief, and last of all Yard Duty. Top corner they go, and Every Sound took the shortcut and bounded through and shot away Every Sound. Mr. Nice Guy, but flashing between runners See Tammy, but Every Sound beat See Tammy. Third placing maybe out deep Bowen Raider, weakening Mr. Nice Guy. Might have got fourth, but there's a couple there contesting for that, and they were Geisha Angel wasn't far away with Pin Up Boy, and towards the tail would be Yard Duty. 5 Every Sound gets the money, took the shortcut. It was 5 or 6 off him at the 250 metre mark, and it took the shortcut and bounded away in the straight and won easily. 5, 2, 6, and waiting for fourth to go into the frame. 5, 2, 6, and no overall time at this stage. But Every